Let's face it, marketing can feel like a maze. You're always searching for the right path, the one that leads to more customers and more sales. It's easy to get lost in the maze. You try different strategies, different tools, but nothing seems to stick. You're left feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, and unsure of where to turn next. But what if I told you there's a way out of the maze? What if there was a set of tools that could simplify your marketing, make it more effective, and help you achieve the results you've been dreaming of? The good news is, there is. It's time to unlock your marketing potential with Groove.ai and Groove.cm. Groove is more than just software. It's your partner in success. It's a comprehensive suite of marketing tools designed to streamline your efforts and maximize your impact. With Groove, you get two powerful platforms in one: Groove.ai and Groove.cm. Think of Groove.ai as your secret weapon. It uses the power of artificial intelligence to automate tasks, analyze data, and help you make smarter marketing decisions. Groove.cm is your command center for customer connection. It provides all the tools you need to build relationships, nurture leads, and turn prospects into loyal customers. Together, Groove.ai and Groove.cm create a powerful synergy that can transform your marketing from a source of frustration into a well-oiled machine. Now let's dive deeper into each platform and explore the tools they offer. Groove.ai is like having a team of marketing experts at your fingertips, working tirelessly behind the scenes to boost your results. One of the standout features of Groove.ai is its ability to personalize your marketing messages. Imagine sending emails that speak directly to each individual subscriber, addressing their specific needs and interests. That's the power of Groove.ai, but it doesn't stop there. Groove.ai also offers smart automation. Automate repetitive tasks like sending welcome emails, follow-up messages, and even qualifying leads. Data-driven insights. Get a clear understanding of what's working and what's not with detailed analytics and reporting. AI-powered content generation. Create compelling marketing copy that converts with the help of artificial intelligence. With Groove.ai, you can say goodbye to guesswork and hello to data-driven decisions that deliver real results. Section 4, Groove.cm, your hub for customer connection. Groove.cm puts you in the driver's seat of your customer relationships. It empowers you to build meaningful connections that lead to long-term loyalty. At the heart of Groove.cm is its powerful CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System. This allows you to keep track of every interaction you have with your leads and customers, ensuring that no opportunity slips through the cracks. But Groove.cm is much more than just a CRM. It also offers email marketing. Create beautiful, engaging emails that get delivered straight to the inbox. Landing page builder. Design high-converting landing pages that capture leads and drive sales. Sales funnels. Build automated sales processes that guide your prospects seamlessly through the buyer's journey. With Groove.cm, you can nurture your leads, build lasting relationships, and turn one-time buyers into raving fans. Section 5. Groove in action, real-world results. Now that you understand the power of Groove, let's look at some practical examples of how it can be used to achieve real-world results. Imagine you're an e-commerce business owner. You can use Groove to segment your email list. Send targeted promotions to customers based on their past purchases. Recover abandoned carts. Automatically send emails to customers who leave items in their cart, reminding them to complete their purchase. Create a loyalty program. Reward your best customers with exclusive discounts and offers. Or let's say you're a coach or consultant. You can use Groove to build a high-converting landing page. Capture leads for your coaching program with a compelling landing page. Nurture your leads with email automation. Send a series of automated emails that provide valuable content and establish your expertise. Schedule appointments and consultations. Manage your schedule and book appointments with ease. These are just a few examples of how Groove can be used to transform your marketing efforts. Section 6. Unlock your marketing potential. Groove.ai and Groove.cm are more than just tools. They are your partners in success, empowering you to unlock your full marketing potential. With Groove, you can save time and resources, automate tasks, and streamline your workflow. Make smarter decisions. Gain valuable insights from data-driven analytics. Build stronger relationships. Connect with your audience on a deeper level. Increase sales and revenue, drive conversions, and boost your bottom line. Don't let the marketing maze hold you back any longer. Take charge of your marketing today with Groove.ai and Groove.cm. Your success story starts now.